The E in gather approach for counseling on contraceptive practices refers to option A, examine the client, option B, explore their future plans, option C, explain how to use the method, option D, exchange ideas on population control. See, the gather approach is a client-centered counseling methodology widely used in family planning and reproductive health sessions. The acronym stands for G for greet, A for ask, T for tell, H for help, E for explain, R for return. So I will repeat again: greet, ask, tell, help, explain, return. So this is the acronym. So in this context, E refers to explain how to use the method. Proper explanation ensures that the client understands how to correctly and consistently use the chosen contraceptive, which can maximize its efficacy and minimize potential risk. So the correct answer here is C, explain how to use the method.